I'm a pirate. Do you want to know something that really annoys me? I mean, really annoys the hell out of me and drives me to murderous instincts. It's when you get people on the bus who play songs on their mobile phone really loud, or cell phone for my American viewers, portable for my French viewers, handy for my German viewers. Anyway, it's not just any song either, it's all that stupid dance music. It's Chav songs. Oh my god. I'm coming home on Friday night after I went out and I was sat on the bus all dressed up in my rock gear and this Chav walks on the bus. Yeah mate, wanna buy a bus ticket? And he sits down on the seats opposite me, gets his mobile phone out, so I'm like, yeah, that's great, and puts on Chav dance music. Now there are several things I could have done here, and I'll show you. Number one, I could have gone over there and asked him politely to turn his music off. Oh my god, can you just shut up? Number two, I could have gone over there and taken his mobile phone off him. Sorry mate, I need this. Number three, I could have scratched my ears until they bled and hopefully the blood would have clogged up my ear holes because it was so irritating. Oh no! In the end, however, I just put up with it. But in future, to anybody who's watching and you're playing music on your mobile phone really loud at 11:15 at night, please don't have courtesy for others. Thank you.
F to the R to the A to the N to the K to the I to the Fairy.